So, this is your DIY assistant, guys. Today I'm working on 2020 Toyota Corolla. There is something which I noticed I want to point out here. Look at my hands. They are filled with some shady stuff. I don't know, which I've seen some manufacturers equipping their car. Can someone give me an update on exactly what this shit is and what does it really do that make it so relevant that they have to use it? It's when once it touches your hands, it scratch you like hell. Look at it. Look at this shit. Okay. Look at this shit here. I don't know why they put it, but if your body get in contact with it, it's gonna scratch every damn part of your body. So I don't know why they did it. I don't know why, the reason why they have to use this very material here that is scratching the body. If you've come in contact with this before, can let me know in the comment section what exactly this shit is.